So I got the mic here. Let's check really quick. It's working. So 3 different items I bought. We're gonna take the truck. We're gonna go to our office and unbox it. So as you can see, I got a new dash cam yesterday. So these ThinkWare dash cameras come with a 1-year warranty. It had 1 month left. So they replaced it because I had a weird green like screen going on throughout the full camera. It happened right when I replaced the window, so I don't know if it had something to do with that, but anyway, I replaced it and now it's nice and new. This is called the BJ Plaza. It's actually home to driver's school here also. We got our packages.
Actually, fun fact, guys, this is where I got my license. I was 16, I drove one of these cars that they had.
Alrighty, check this out. Nobody's here. We got couches. I don't know how old this fridge is, but it's old. Got microwave, little dining table. Check it out. We got the couches, we got the desk, the TV. So let's open this little package up. So we'll start off with the SSD. I bought this from B&H actually, and it came with this little flash drive, 128 gigabytes. But I gotta say that I don't know what happened in the delivery, but this package is like all beat up. It's squished. I hope the SSD is okay. I think it's okay, but again, from B&H, you expect something better. We have here is the DJI Mic 2. Now, I'll be honest, I don't really need these because I didn't want to get a kind of bulky mic. As you can see, I have a lab mic. It's the Zoom F2. I like it because it's like not really visible. With this, obviously you can buy a lavalier and it'll be fine. But these are a little bulky, but the reason why I got it is because my client kind of gets annoyed with the wire. So you want to just use a little magnet. And they do the job. I think they're good mics. So $350, you get 2 mics, you get a charger, you get the receiver also. I don't think it's a bad deal. Also, you can't complain with the packaging from DJI. Very solid mic. And then, any guesses what's inside this box? I actually haven't even opened this one yet. So, check it out. We got the DJI RS Mini 3. Originally, this gimbal is already pretty cheap. Like, what we get ours for like $550, $600. I don't really use the gimbal. Usually my brother's always on it. So like, I haven't really gotten practice. And since I already got these mics, I thought like one of my clients, he always talks, he always walks around. So I'm like, I think this would be a good combo instead of just walking around with the camera, which also is nice, but I think this will pair very well with the 15-35 lens and also for like real estate shoots. So I definitely see myself using this, not too often, but again, for 280 bucks, you can't complain. Thank you so much for watching this little vlog. Maybe we can do some B-roll of this office, and I'll see you guys in the next video.